can watch my phone doesn't work. You can watch my phone, the skin of my phone doesn't work. This is why I'm in a big problem. So I do each work by this phone. Right now I'm in a big problem because I cannot my works by this phone. So I'm thinking of buying new phone in no time, but I haven't money right now. It's true that I haven't money to buy new phone. So this is why I wanted money from my uncle to give me some money to buy new smartphone, and my little sister, little brother in abroad. So I wanted from him to buy new phone. So right now I'm in a big problem because I cannot do my work. I run YouTube channel and page as well as Facebook page by this phone. Right now YouTube channel and Facebook page are in a trouble because I cannot upload video by this phone. I cannot record video. So I'm recording video by my friend's Joy Ahmed's phone. Right now you can watch me by this phone. This phone is not mine, it's my friend's Joy Ahmed's phone. So each day I bring it from my friend to record video, and then after recording then I receive all videos by share share. So share is an easy way to transfer video to my my phone. So each day I use it, and I bring phone from my friend's Joy Ahmed. So each day I use it.